Hi everyone, James Makes back at it again. This time we're going to be doing something a little bit different than the truck videos that you've seen me doing recently. The other thing I want to do with this channel is do a little bit of audio stuff. In this case we've got a bit of a crime of opportunity here because I just got in my T2 Pro from Tin Audio that came through Massdrop just today, and I wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing video and show you guys what we got here and do a quick review, see how the first impressions of them are. So first, just gonna try to get out of this box here. I already tore it trying to open the box earlier, and then I thought maybe I should share this with y'all. So let's see if we can get this out here. Get that out of the way. So the outer carton's nothing special, but this is actually really nice. Kind of a nice blue leatherette book kind of thing. That's actually really nice. Instructions. Pull that out of there in what appears to be Mandarin. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. There's some English there. Use of earplugs notes. The use of headphones. Please pay attention to control the appropriate volume so as not to damage the hearing. That sounds like really sage advice. Interesting thing about these T2 Pros, they actually have two drivers in there, two dynamic drivers rather than using balanced armatures. So that was actually pretty interesting. Bandwidth range claimed 12 to 40K, so that's a pretty wide range. 16 ohms, and then we've got a 3.5 millimeter jack. No way, not 3.5 millimeters. Apparently the color is gun color, so there we go. Again, the packaging looks super premium for headphones. That get this cost me only 35 bucks. I think they were 45 and I had a $10 credit to Massdrop, so pretty dope. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing out of here. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, check that out. Alright, so looks like in the little foam thing here, we've got the two headphone drivers and the jack, which is pretty cool. Actually does look really nice and premium there, so let's see if we can get this on camera. Oh, focus camera. It's too dark. There we go. Now you can kind of see it's got a nice carbon fiber finish to it, like a silver carbon finish, and the cable itself is this cool woven braided material here. There we go. There we go. Now you can see the finish a little bit more clearly on the plug there and the wire. The wire feels actually really nice. It's this cool braided material, and it feels really premium. That's really interesting. It's got the little MMCX connectors, I think they're called. There's an R on that one, so I guess that's the right channel. That's cool. Really nice. What's this? There we go. All right, so here's the driver there. I guess that's the left. It's got a blue thing on there. We'll see if the other one has a red thing on there. And, yep, there we go. So it looks like that's where the connector goes. It's got a nice foam ear tip on there. I kind of like foam ear tips. They're a little harder to get in, but they stay seated pretty well. And let's see. There we go. See if we can get a close-up here. All right, so here's a close-up of the driver itself there. It's really nice. It feels like it's machined aluminum, or yeah, feels like aluminum. Maybe it's just plasticized or aluminized plastic, but it kind of looks like turned aluminum too. I mean, it looks really nice. Again, the price on this was 35 bucks. It looks like it's turned metal. This piece seems like plastic, but the actual driver housing, it looks like it might be metal. And you can see there's a little port right there. So, yeah. The normal sort of driver screen. It's a bit bigger barrel than some of the other headphones that I've got. So let's pop these back on here. There we go. So let's see what else is in the package. It looks like we've got some silicone ear tips with different colors in them, and more silicone ear tips that don't have different colors in them. So it's kind of interesting. We've got a lot of different sizes, which is awesome. That's a lot. Again, I'm blown away by what comes with this for given the price point. All right, let's see if we can put these MMCX connectors into the driver here. That's right. Oh man, it's really hard to see these letters. They're just really small on here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Probably not. Yeah, there's the L right there. So the lettering's a bit small, but that's okay. Once they're in there, they're in there. Just push this on here. Yeah, got a nice click. Sounded good. So it's the left. That means this one must be the right. So there we go. Let's pop the right one in there. There we go. All right, that was cool. All right. That's cool. It's a nice little package. All right, let's do some listening. Okay, so got them unboxed. I've warmed them up for a couple hours and listened to a couple of tracks. As you can see, I got them in my ears here. They're pretty comfortable, pretty easy to get in. They're foam, so you kind of have to squish them down a little bit and shove them in there. The cord, again, is super flexible. It's like a fabric material, so there's really nothing to be uncomfortable about the cord. Doesn't seem to catch or be really microphonic. Anyway, really happy with this cord. Yeah, hopefully other headphone manufacturers are paying attention because this thing's pretty dope. The sound signature so far, from what I can tell, really nice. It's maybe slightly exaggerated in the treble region. You know, I think that's kind of true for a lot of headphones. You kind of get that V shape a little bit emphasizing the bass, a little bit emphasizing the treble. However, it's pretty slight. I would say it lacks a little bit of that low-end impact of my Monster Turbine Pro Coppers that I've had for ages, but those ones sound a lot more closed in the top end than these do. If anything, these are a little bit more similar to my Etymotic Er3 XRs, so those things are, you know, really neutral. They've got a great range to them and a lot of detail. These have a fair bit of detail, maybe just a little bit too much exaggeration on that top end, but so far, I gotta say, first impressions, really great. They don't have massive impact in the low end. They don't have the most delicate mid-range, but the range overall is fantastic. And for, you know, somewhere between 35 and 50 bucks, these are fantastic. The drop is still going on a Massdrop, so hopefully you guys can get yourself a pair. It's absolutely worth it. I'm going to put a link in the description to these and also my other favorite super budget headphones, which are the Carbon Pro Tenore from, I think it's Final Audio. Anyway, I'll put a link in the description to that, and you can go check these out. Go cop these if you can get on Massdrop. I'm sure they'll have them on again at some point. Absolutely worth it. These are great. These are freaking fantastic for the budget. Just absolutely phenomenal. So anyway, go check them out. See what you think. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.